A heavy-duty dual-head tire gauge. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unbox. This is the Astro AI heavy-duty dual-head tire pressure gauge. The company sent this out for review. You can pick this up online for $16 and I have the link in the description below. Let's take a look. The tire gauge came in this black box, and inside you'll find the manual. This is a dual head gauge. It has a PSI range of 0 to 180 PSI. Also designed for dualies, and it's heavy duty. Here you can see the bi-directional design, so you can get a reading by either pulling or pushing. Front has the Astro AI branding, and the top of the gauge has some grooves, so this provides a nice grip and it won't slip. The body is plastic. It has a nice bright green backlit display that will shut off after 30 seconds, and it has 4 settings: PSI, bar, kPa, and kg. It comes with replaceable batteries. This takes 3 AG13 batteries and 1 CR2032 lithium coin cell. The gauge comes in at about 12 inches in length and the body is about 1 inch. Let's take a quick readout on a tire. I've removed the tire cap and turned on the gauge. Just a gentle push and you will see it register. .7 PSI. Tire pressure is good. It's very easy to use. The Astro AI heavy duty tire gauge. This is a nice tire gauge, especially for those that have trucks, RVs, and need a higher range to measure. The backlit display and the dual head is a great feature to have, along with the length of the gauge. For the price, it's definitely worth it. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unbox. Take care everyone.